Good morning dear students. Today we will continue our exercise 2.3 and word problems. Question number 8. The question is the cost of 5 as a whole 1 upon 4 liter of milk is rupees 160. What is the cost of 10 as a whole 1 upon 2 liter of milk? Correct. So I have told you many times, when the cost of more is given, less you have to find, then divide. When less is given, more you have to find, then multiply. So cost of 5 as a whole 1 upon 4 liter of milk is rupees 160. So cost of 1 liter, more is given, less we have to find, so divide. So 160 will be divided by 5 as a whole 1 upon 4. So 5 as a whole 1 upon 4 can be written as, so in order, let me clear one point. You have to calculate the cost of 10 as a whole 1 upon 2. So in order to calculate the cost of 10 as a whole 1 upon 2, first we will calculate the cost of 1 liter and then we will calculate the cost of 10 as a whole 1 upon 2 liter. From the cost of 5 as a whole 1 upon 4 liter, let us calculate the cost of milk of 1 liter, correct? So 160 divided by 21 upon 4, that will be 160 into 4 upon 21. See students, this step you see, I am not doing the multiplication over here. I have told you in class 6th also, leave the process like here only this. No need to multiply it further because it can get cancelled also, correct? So now cost of 10 as a whole 1 upon 2 liter of milk. Now 1 less is given, more you have to find, so multiply. So cost of 1 liter of milk multiply by 10 as a whole 1 upon 2 liter. So multiply it, you will get here 160 into 4 upon 21 multiply by 21 upon 2. See, I have told you it will get cancelled. See, 21 will get cancelled and 2 2s are 4. So 162s will be rupees 320. The cost of this much liter of milk will be rupees 320. Again I am explaining you, from this liter of milk the cost is 160. So from here you calculate the cost of 1 liter, then you have to calculate 10 as a whole 1 upon 2 liter. So then whatever the cost of 1 liter, multiply that cost with the cost of 10 as a whole 1 upon 2 liter. You will get the total cost, correct? Now coming to the next. Praveen purchases 5 as a whole 1 upon 2 kg of barfi at a cost of rupees 100 per kg. 3 as a whole 1 upon 4 kg of rasmalai at rupees 200 per kg. Praveen gives 3 notes of rupees 500 to the shopkeeper. How much money will he refund to Praveen? Now see, Praveen went to the shop and purchased two things, barfi and rasmalai. Barfi cost rupees 100 per kg is rupees 100 and he purchased this much kg. So what is the total cost? You will multiply both. See, I have done it same. Barfi cost rupees 100 per kg and Praveen purchased 5 as a whole 1 upon 2 kg means 11 upon 2 kg. So total amount Praveen has to pay will be, multiply both, rupees 550 for barfi. I hope it is clear. He has to pay rupees 550 for barfi. Now see, cost of rasmalai per kg. Rasmalai per kg is rupees 200 and Praveen purchases 3 as a whole 1 upon 4 kg. So that will be 13 upon 4 kg. Now total amount he has to give for rasmalai will be 200 multiplied by 13 upon 4. So that will be rupees 650. I hope it is clear till here. Now see, the amount he has to give for barfi is 650. For rasmalai is 550. Total amount he has to give to the shopkeeper is 1200. And what he does, he gave 500 rupees ke 3 notes to the shopkeeper. Mean how much is the total amount he gave? 500 multiplied by 3, that is 1500. Now subtract these two. The amount he has to give is 1200, the amount he gave is 500, and so shopkeeper will give return in return he will give it to him will be 1500 minus 1200, that will be 300. Now coming to the next. A family drinks 2 as a whole 3 upon 4 liter of water in a day. The water jar has a capacity of 22 liter. Find the number of days the family members will take to empty the jar. Correct? So amount of water family consumes in one day is given to you already. Now they are saying the capacity of the jar is 22 liter. Now they are asking how many days a family will empty a jar. Suppose you have a ration of atta, suppose you have atta or rice flour in your home, that is 10 kg, and what is given to the next to you is you are consuming it 1 kg per day. So in how many days you will complete it? Complete finishing means all the flour you will eat by it. So that has to be divided. So 10 divided by 1, 10 means 10 days you will finish. So total divided by consumption in 1 day. Same here, total capacity divided by consumption of water in 1 day. So 22 is the total capacity divided by water of consumption in 1 day. 22 divided by 11 upon 4, and that will be 4 into solve it. Divide is there, so multiply 4 upon 11. 11 2s are 22, 4 2s are 8. The answer will be 8 days. I hope it is clear till here. Now coming to the next, the perimeter of a rectangular part having length this and is this much. Find the area of the part. See, pay very attention to this question. Perimeter is given to you 17 as a whole, 1 upon 2 meter, correct? So perimeter formula is 2 into L plus P, correct? And perimeter is given to you 17 as a whole, 1 upon 2 meter. And length is given to you 5 as a whole, 1 upon 4. And breadth you have to calculate. First you have to calculate breadth. Why? Because you have to calculate its area, and area is equals to length into breadth, and we have only length, we have to calculate its breadth. So 17 as a whole, 1 upon 2 can be written as 35 upon 2, and 5 as a whole, 1 upon 4 can be written as 21 upon 4. So now see, this is multiplication over here, no? Correct? So when it will shift here, it will be divide. So 35 upon 2 divided by 2, and this will be remain as it is. Now this is division, so multiply. So 35 upon 4 is equals to 21 upon 4 plus b. It is plus over here, so when it will shift this side, it will be subtracted. So 35 upon 4 minus 21 upon 4 is equals to breadth, correct? So breadth is equals to 35 minus 21 upon 4. 4 will be the LCM, and breadth is equals to 14 upon 4. So breadth is equals to 7 upon 2. We will make it into the simplest form. So breadth is equals to 7 upon 2 meter, correct? Now area of a rectangular park is equals to length into breadth. Length was already given to you 21 upon 4. Breadth we have calculated 7 upon 2. So just it is not getting cancelled anywhere, so just multiply it. We will get here 147 upon 8, and in mixed term we will get here 18 as a whole, 3 upon 8 meter square. See, I have shown it here. I hope all of you might understood this. Please all of you copy all this work properly, and I suggest you, whatever you copy, first try to understand and try to do the solutions yourself. No need to copy the solutions from the video. I hope it is clear to all. Now the next is, a tortoise start running a length of 400 meter. After one day the tortoise found that it has covered only 4 upon 5 of the total journey. What is the distance the tortoise has still to cover? See, the total distance is given to you 400, and he has covered 4 upon 5. So 4 upon 5 of 400 he has covered, correct? So from here you will calculate the distance, how much it has covered, and then you will subtract that calculated distance from the given distance. So let us see, total length of the journey is 400 meter, and total distance tortoise cover in one day is 4 upon 5, means 4 upon 5 of 400, correct? So 4 upon 5 of 400, that is 320, and distance still he has to cover will be 400 minus 320, that is 80 meter. I hope it is clear. The next is, the difference of a product of a fraction with this and this is 11. What is the fraction? Pay very attention to this question. They are saying the difference of the product of a fraction. Difference of the product. Difference means subtraction. Let us frame an equation. So subtraction means, difference means subtraction, so minus sign will come in between, correct? Now they are saying the difference of the product of a fraction with this and this number and this. So let the fraction be a upon b, and now we have to calculate its product because the difference of the product, correct? Now product, first the fraction will be multiplied with this, and then the fraction will multiply by this, and the answer will be 11, correct? So 8 5s are 40, and 47 upon 8 into a upon b minus, open the brackets, 4 to z, 4 3 are 12, 15 upon 4, multiply a upon b is equals to 11, correct? From the distributive law property, all of you have done it earlier also. So a upon b I will take common, and inside it will you are left with 47 upon 8 minus 15 upon 4. So just take an LCM, 4 and 8 LCM will be 8. So 47 here, and 4 2s are 8 and 15 2s are 30. So 47 into 1 and 15 2s are, correct? So just subtract, you will get here 17 upon 8 is equals to 11, and a upon b you can get by cross multiplying. A will be shifted to the numerator and 17 to the denominator. So 11 8 is 88, 88 upon 17. If you want, you can change it into mixed term also, or it is clear till here only, it is correct for you all. So I want all of you to do all this work in your notebook. I hope all of you understood. If still you face problem, then you can ask me. If you have any type of problem and all, you can confirm from me. See, I am showing you all the questions once again so that you can do it yourself. See students, again I am reminding you, try to do the solutions yourself instead of copying from the video. Thank you all.